This is 12.3 exercise. Problem number 1. Find the area of shaded region PQ is equal to 24. Now if you take here, this is semicircle. Okay, this is semicircle. It is given P, this is R, this is Q, and this is here P is there. Okay, this is highlighting with the black pen. This is semicircle. So inside the semicircle one triangle is there. Now this area is shaded. This area we have to find out. Okay, now a shaded area is equal to area of semicircle minus area of triangle. Now if you take this triangle here, this triangle, this is P. Angle, if you take this angle with this angle QPR, this angle is angle QPR is 90 degrees because angle inscribed in semicircle. Angle in semicircle will be always 90 degrees. Okay, in this already what is given? Given is PQ is given. PQ is 24 centimeters and PR is 7 centimeters. PQ is 24 centimeters and PR is 7 centimeters. PQ is 20 centimeters. So by using Pythagoras theorem here, PR square plus PQ square is equal to RQ square. Now this is the right angle. Always right angle opposite side, this will be hypotenuse. So this square plus this square will be equal to RQ square. We have applied Pythagoras theorem here. Now PR square is already given 7 square plus PQ square is 24 square is equal to RQ square. 49 plus 24, 24 is 576 is equal to RQ square. So RQ square is equal to 625. RQ is equal to root 625. So RQ is equal to 25. Now this is the circle, this is the semicircle. Inside one triangle is there. This area we have to find out. Now area of semicircle minus area of the triangle, already I told. Now this is a right angle triangle. So right angle triangle shaded area is equal to pi r square upon 2 because semicircle area minus half into sides containing right angle. कौन सी ट्रायंगल के बीच में आपको हाफ इंटू पी आर इंटू क्यू पी, पी आर इंटू क्यू पी, पी आर इंटू क्यू पी. Pi r square upon 2. So here pi r square, pi we have to take 22 upon 7. R is equal to, now R, see, this is the PQ. Okay, this is the diameter. This is RQ. This is the, I will highlight with the black pen. This is the RQ. And we have to find RQ we have got as here 25. RQ as 25 centimeters. So if you take here O, radius will be, now RQ is equal to 25 centimeter is equal to diameter. So R will be 25 upon 2. So we will be taking here 25 upon 2, 25 upon 2, and already upon 2 is there. So into half into 24 into 7. 24 into 7. Now here 2 12s are, 2 11s are, 625 into 11 upon 4 7s are 28 minus 12 7s are 84. Okay. Now if we take here, we will be getting this 28. 2 2s are 4, 4 7s are 28. So after taking LCM, we will be getting the, now here 28 is the 625 into, let us first do 625 into 11 is equal to 6875. So this I'll rub here. This we will be getting here 6875 upon 28 minus 84 upon 1. 6875 divided by 28 करेंगे 245.53 minus 84 is equal to 161.53 centimeters square is the area.